So you're trying to add some table in your Canva and project, and you're trying to figure out how to do that, then you've come to a right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add table in your Canva project. So it's quite simple. All you have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So suppose this is your Canva project. You want to add a table over here. All you need to do is go to your keyboard and tap in that slash button. And once you do that, you get to this option. Now all you have to do here is type in table, and here comes the table option. And here, see, you can choose whether it's 2x2, 3x2, 4x4. According to your requirement, you can choose any table. So let's say I want to make it 5x4. So let's tap in, and there you go. This is how you add table. Now you can type in like name and like age, location, and stuff like that. You can add anything you'd like a gender. So likewise, like a number, anything. So you can add table like this. So this is how you add table in your Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.